Medicine is not always found in bottles, tablets, or vaccines. Let us understand 20 world's best medicines. Detoxification is a medicine. Quitting junk food is a medicine. Exercise is a medicine. Fasting is a medicine. Nature is a medicine. Laughter is a medicine. Vegetables and fruits are medicines. Sleep is a medicine. Sunlight is a medicine. Gratitude and love are medicines. Friends are medicines. Meditation is a medicine. Being fearless is a medicine. Positive attitude is a medicine. Unconditional love towards all living beings are medicine. Listening is a medicine. Speaking up and sharing are medicines. Accepting is a medicine. And staying in the present moment is the best medicine.